Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School Kunti Nagar Nevada. Today we are going to discuss some questions of exercise 1D. Okay, of chapter 1. Chapter is real number from mathematics book R.S. Agarwal of class 10. Okay, so question number 2 of exercise 1D. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. मतलब ये जो नंबर्स है हमारे पास 22/7, 3.146 ये रेशनल है और इरेशनल है या इरेशनल है. इसे हम लोग क्या करना है, क्लासिफाई करना है. फर्स्ट नंबर इज 22/7. Okay, for 22/7 is the form of p by q. Okay, where p and q are integers and q do not equal to 0, and it is the simplest form of p by q. Okay, so this number is a rational number. This is a rational number. Okay, 22/7 is the rational number. And the second number question 3.1416. This is the terminating decimal. After the decimal point 4 digit. डेसिमल पॉइंट के 4 डिजिट के बाद ये टर्मिनेट कर गया. ओके, सो दिस इज द टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. ओके, एंड फॉर टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एवरी रेशनल नंबर्स कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन डेसिमल फॉर्म, whereas terminating decimal and recurring decimals are rational numbers. So this is the terminating decimal. 4 digit after the decimal point it is terminated. So 3.1416 is the rational number. Okay, pi is an irrational number. Next fourth number 3.142857 पे बार. It means कि after the decimal point 6 digits are repeated. It means a recurring decimal, a repeating decimal, and repeating decimal or recurring decimal both are same, and that is the rational number. Is the part of a rational number. So 4 number is the rational number because this is the recurring decimal. Terminating decimal or recurring decimal is the part of the rational number. Okay, next 5 number 5.636363 ... So 2 digit after the decimal point 2 digits are repeated. Okay, so this is the recurring decimal. This is also called a rational number. Okay, this is also called a rational number. 6 number 2.0400400004. So this is not a terminating decimal and not a recurring decimal. Okay, ना तो ये terminating decimal है और ना ये recurring decimal है. तो ना ये terminating है ना repeating decimal है. It means non-terminating. We know that non-terminating and non-recurring decimals are called irrational number. So 6 number question is irrational number. Okay, and next 7 number 1.5353353335. This is also an irrational number because this number is not terminating and not recurring. ना तो ये terminating है और ना तो recurring है. इसमें 5335 so this is also a irrational number. Okay, and 3.12122 this is also an irrational number. This is non-terminating. We know that non-terminating or non-recurring decimals are called irrational number. So this is not a terminating decimal. ना तो ये terminating है, neither terminating and not recurring. So this is called irrational number. Root under 21. We know that a square root of any number where that number is not a perfect square. So this is called irrational number. Okay, and q roots of 3. यानी ये 3 is not a perfect cube. 3 is not a perfect cube. So q roots of 3 is an irrational number. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 5 are rational and rest is irrational. Okay, next question number 4 of exercise 1D. Prove that q1 by root 3 is irrational. Prove that q1 by root 3 is irrational. So let's start proof. Solution by the contradiction method. So let us, if possible, let 1 by root 3 is rational. 1 by root 3 is rational, if possible, and let its simplest form, a by b, where a and b are integers having no common factor other than 1. Okay, where a and b are co-primes, having no common factors other than 1, and b do not equal to 0. Okay, so now if 1 by root 3 is a rational number, so we write 1 by root 3 equal to a by b. Okay, so multiplicative inverse on both sides for root 3 equal to b by a. A and b are integers. A and b are integer, so b by a is rational. क्योंकि a and b are integer, so b by a is rational. Okay, so b by a is rational. Thus root 3 is also rational. Root 3 is also rational, but the contradicts fact कि root 3 is irrational. Root 3 is irrational. So our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. Okay, hence 1 by root 3 is irrational. Okay, students, our next question is 5 number. 5 number question: give an example of two irrationals. Give an example of two irrationals which from is rational. एक ऐसा एग्जाम्पल लीजिए दो इरेशनल नंबर का जिसका सम जो है वो रेशनल नंबर हो. ओके, सो 5 plus root 3 and 5 minus root 3. 5 plus root 3 and 5 minus root 3. Students, we know that the sum of a rational and an irrational, sum of a rational and an irrational is always irrational. मतलब एक रेशनल और एक इरेशनल नंबर का जो सम होगा वो हमेशा क्या होगा, एक इरेशनल नंबर. सो इन दिस एग्जांपल की 5 plus root 3, 5 is irrational and root 3 is irrational. So 5 plus root 3 is always irrational. Okay, and the sum, we know that the sum of the difference of a rational and an irrational is always irrational. So 5 is irrational and root 3 is irrational. So the difference of the 5 and root 3 is always irrational. So an example of two irrational. So two irrational numbers. Here is two irrational number. So the sum for 5 plus root 3 and plus 5 minus root 3. Root 3 is cancelled and 5 10. So 10 is a rational number. Okay, so first is clear. 5 plus root 3 and 5 minus root 3, the sum of 5 plus root 3 and 5 minus root 3 is 10. So this is a rational. Sum of two irrational numbers is a rational number. Okay, and the second number, give an example of two irrationals. Give an example of two irrational whose product is rational. Whose product is rational. So 2 minus root 3 and 2 plus root 3. Okay, so students, two irrational numbers. Here two irrational numbers, because first is 2 minus root 3 and 2 is rational and root 3 is irrational. We know that the difference of a rational and an irrational is always irrational. Okay, and the sum of a rational and irrational is always irrational. So 2 plus root 3, 2 is rational and root 3 is an irrational. Okay, so the product of these numbers, 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3, a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So 2 to the 4 minus 3 equal to 1. This is rational. This is rational. So 1 is a rational number. Okay, so the product of two irrational number is rational. Okay, our next question is 10 number. Prove that 5 root 2 is irrational. Okay, so 5 root 2 is irrational. First of all, let us assume that 5 root 2 is rational. So let us start solution. Let us assume that 5 root 2 is rational. So rational. Then there exists co-primes of A and B, where B do not equal to G. Co-prime of A and B, this is the simplest form of A by B. Co-prime, it means the no A common factors other than 1. Co-prime, it means that the common factors of A and B is 1. Okay, so such that if 5 root 2 equal to A by B, this implies root 2 equal to A by 5B. Okay, where A and B are integers. Then A by 5B is a rational number. Rational. Thus root 2 is also rational. अगर a बाई 5b रेशनल है तो इसी के इक्वल में रूट 2 है, तो रूट 2 भी क्या होगा, रेशनल नंबर होना चाहिए. बट दिस contradicts the fact root 2 is irrational. Okay, fact that root 2 is irrational. Okay, so our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. Then we say that if 5 root 2 is an irrational. Okay.